Hey, Ritter here. So this is my, we're here in the Oregon coast. A little long weekend away. We haven't been out of the house in like a year or so. A little break. So this is my Element Builder's Kit with IFS. It's got a trail walker body. I have a trail walker with a Proline body on it. This is the IFS 8T Holmes 1080 Gen Ace 4300 3S IFS. But as I was just playing with it, crawling around this fire pit over here, it decided to turn into a two-wheel drive vehicle. I captured on the GoPro, but I think the GoPro battery died. So we'll do it live on tape here. So it's turned into a stadium truck now, I think. So we're doing this for a little bit now. Now Hobbywing says that an 8-turn motor is too much for it. This Holmes hobby motor is great. 1080 is great. I'm having fun with my Alright, so what do we got here? So 8T warm to the touch, not hot. 1080 ice cold, but we are 50 degrees here in Oregon. Battery, I mean, it's a few degrees above normal, but not hot. Reefs, beautiful. IFS apparently is not, it gave up, but it's fun. So, yeah. Just rip it, right? All right. Peace.